Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot, your medium.com digital marketing coach, and today I'm going to show you how to add a kicker in the right format for your medium stories. So usually we have this title, main title, and the subtitle. Now these three are the first three lines, and what you are going to do, my friends, is quite simple. Actually, you have to choose this title, main title, highlight the text, and just press that big T button, and then you have to choose the subtitle and highlight the small T button. This will enable it into being a subtitle. And while we already did the exercise of adding that big T in the medium inbuilt editor, this becomes the main title. Now on top of that, we have written down Discord, which is the tag we have used for this article, this medium story. So I'm going to highlight this as well and just press the small subtitle icon on the inbuilt editor provided by Medium, and just look at this, my friends: kicker, title, and subtitle. I have already made an article about this in my publication called Water Atlas. So I have made that publication already, my friends, and I'm going to update this video inside of it. Thanks for watching, my friends. Let's see, after publishing, how the article looks like from the outside. Look at it. This quote is the kicker, and the main title and the subtitle. Now what I'm going to do is go to stats, my profile page, because from there you can get a very good idea, to be honest with you. This is my first article. Look at this: the kicker, the main title, and the subtitle are all visible, but we have to check the one we just edited right now. Look at it, my friend, and published under my other publication called YouTube Tutorials. We have Discord as our kicker, the main title, and the subtitle. I have to work on changing the cover art of this for this story. So thanks for watching, my friends. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I'll be signing off. Take care.